Bow Products FencePRO Featherboards are a great companion for any router table that has a T20 track in it. These can be used individually, placing either over the top of where your cutter is or either side of the cutter, or using the longer bolt that's supplied, they can be used stackable in front of each other. Also, when they're used stackable, you can adjust them up and down so they can actually cover a rebate or maybe a curved bit of timber you've got, because they are independently adjustable in their height. It's easy to set up the FencePRO. Either put one on over the center, or if you're using longer timber, I would use them as a pair. A little bit of downward pressure, tighten up the bolt which fixes into the T20 track, and you can push your board through. Lots of downward pressure. And if you ever did have any kickback, it soon locks up and you really holds that timber. Otherwise, normal use, just push your timber all the way through. You can remove the shorter screw and put the longer one in, and then you can set them up as a pair above each other. We can then get this set up on the fence and either use them height-wise above each other. We can have the front one lower down or higher up if we're trying to cope with any rebated work. The FencePROs can be used individually or as a pair on the fence, or they really match up and work well if you can use them with the FeatherPRO as well. For more information on that or a link to the video, check out down below. If you're interested in the FencePRO, look at woodworkersworkshop.co.uk and check us out on our social media channels.